The usual, we're eating. Hannah's not showing herself, so I'll make sure to get the footage right on her face. What are you on B-Real? How much free time do you got, bro?
4:19 in the morning.
Yeah, whose B-Rolls are you gonna be looking at, bro? Why are you looking at
Salty.
They're fries, bro. Well, you know those like cinematic shots where like the guy's running the grass field? He was like, yo, can you do that for me? Like, that's bad game, bro.
In what grass field?
Yeah, we go to a desert, bro. 맛있어.
Not bad.
God damn.
뭐?
I might have to 굶어 today, bro.
Hey, June, are you trying to cut or pull?
Anything.
I think you already failed for today. You might as well just eat more.
Damn. Damn.
That's so sad. Can you do that?
How you say it like that, bro?
Even if you take a shit, bro, you gotta wash your hands. You know what I'm saying?
I don't think I water in the desert, bro. He has $209 left and you're gonna buy it for him?
With my EBT.
How much do you have left?
900.
What?
900?
Yo!
God damn!
What the fuck?
Yo, sugar mom. Can I get at the Sonic?
I have to freaking go. Yeah. With this honey? Can you get better water?
$900? Yo, can we buy some like fucking honey, bro, at Shell Market, bro?
Should we ball out tonight?
Yeah, let's ball out at a fucking gas station, bro. And we're eating Del Taco, bro. Hi, baby. Go back. Shoo. Alright, y'all ready for the hike, bro? There's too many bushes, bro. Looks like my pubes. 행복해? 아니네. 좀 풀었어?
Yeah, bro, we're right by Mexico.
Oh, what? Why?
Yo, is this your nose thing?
No, bro, I didn't
Brought it
blow.
all the way here?
I didn't blow my nose, bro. Calm down, bro.
What am I doing?
I don't know, bro.
Yeah,
It's
what
okay.
if this is like the Truman Show and like... I think this way is my favorite shot.
You're my favorite shot, Hannah.
Please don't say that.
Did you puke in your mouth?
Yeah, a little bit.
Good. Hannah, 너가 할래? 자식아.
Truman, my love.
할 수 있어, babe.
What?
Go.
미친 새끼인 것 같아. 사람 죽으라고 해.
자신감 없어?
This is what like vloggers say to their friends.
Nah, this is definitely what David Dobrik says, bro. Go the fuck down here, bro. You wanna get paid? Get your ass down there, brother.
Damn, the sun is so sorry.
Famous last words.
For the bitches.
For the bitches!
That's what I said now.
Ice cream?
I said
Oh,
ice cream.
it's like, goddamn, bro.
Yeah, bro, you hungry?
Always. My stomach hurts though, so. Dude, I fucking missed it, bro. Fuck.
Can you come back?
Come back! June! He's tucking in the pants?
Tuck this shit in.
Yeah, look kinda gay, bro. I think you untuck it, bro. We want. You're 50% to the. It's about 80% left. 잘했어, 잘했어. Oh god.
Can you do it? Please as quickly.
real. 진짜 컨텐츠 크리에이터.
I didn't like that. I didn't like that.
잘했어, 잘했어. Are you good, bro? Cut. Go back.
I gotta pick up my
Oh, this is the life of the content creators, guys. We fake everything.